As an architect, I see tiny farmhouse living not as a trend, but as a thoughtful response to modern challenges. Rising housing costs, environmental concerns, and the desire for a slower, more meaningful lifestyle are reshaping how we design homes. The tiny farmhouse blends rural warmth with refined comfort, proving that small spaces can still feel luxurious. In this breakdown, we'll explore how cozy design, elevated materials, and sustainable strategies come together to create a tiny home that feels timeless, efficient, and deeply personal. Cozy design is not accidental, it's carefully planned. In tiny farmhouse living, coziness comes from proportion, texture, and human-scale details. Lower ceiling transitions, exposed beams, warm wood tones, and layered lighting create emotional comfort. From an architect's perspective, farmhouse coziness is about familiarity and calm. It reminds us of traditional homes while being adapted to modern living. When designed correctly, the space feels intimate rather than cramped, welcoming rather than minimal, and emotionally grounding for everyday life. In a tiny farmhouse, every square meter must work harder. Smart zoning replaces rigid walls, allowing living, dining, and kitchen areas to flow together naturally. Sightlines are intentionally extended to make the space feel larger, while built-in furniture reduces visual clutter. As architects, we focus on circulation efficiency and multifunctional elements. A single staircase may hide storage, seating may double as cabinetry, and lofts maximize vertical volume, transforming limited space into an experience of openness. Luxury in a tiny home isn't about excess, it's about quality. Thoughtfully chosen materials such as natural stone countertops, handcrafted wood cabinetry, and matte metal fixtures elevate the entire space. Architectural luxury also comes from restraint, fewer materials, used more intentionally. Soft close hardware, concealed appliances, and seamless detailing create a refined atmosphere. Even in a compact footprint, these subtle decisions make the home feel curated, premium, and emotionally rewarding to live in. Sustainability begins with material choices. Reclaimed wood, low VOC finishes, natural insulation, and locally sourced materials reduce environmental impact while reinforcing farmhouse character. As architects, we aim to design homes that age gracefully, not ones that require constant replacement. Durable materials tell a story over time. In a tiny farmhouse, sustainability and aesthetics align beautifully. What's good for the planet often enhances warmth, texture, and authenticity within the living space. Tiny farmhouses are naturally energy efficient, but smart design takes this further. Proper orientation maximizes daylight and passive solar gain, while high-performance windows improve insulation without sacrificing charm. Compact HVAC systems, energy-efficient appliances, and LED lighting dramatically reduce consumption. From an architectural standpoint, sustainability is invisible when done right. It quietly improves comfort, lowers bills, and supports long-term living without compromising the home's visual identity or cozy atmosphere. Light is one of the most powerful architectural tools. Large farmhouse-style windows, skylights, and glass doors blur the boundary between inside and outside. This connection expands the perceived size of the home and supports mental well-being. Even a small porch or garden becomes an extension of the living space. In tiny farmhouse living, natural light is essential. It enhances warmth, highlights textures, and reinforces the home's relationship with nature and its surroundings. Clutter is the enemy of comfort in small spaces. That's why integrated storage is a cornerstone of tiny farmhouse design. Floor-to-ceiling cabinetry, hidden drawers, understair compartments, and wall niches keep belongings organized and out of sight. As architects, we design storage to feel invisible, not bulky. When storage blends seamlessly with architecture, the home feels calm, intentional, and far more spacious than its actual size suggests. Great architecture isn't just functional, it's emotional. Tiny farmhouse living encourages intentionality, mindfulness, and connection. The scale of the space brings people closer together, while thoughtful details foster daily comfort. From morning light in the kitchen to warm evening textures in the living area, the home supports lifestyle rather than consumption. As an architect, I believe this emotional richness is the true luxury of tiny farmhouse living. Tiny farmhouse living represents a powerful shift in how we define home. By combining coziness, luxury, and sustainability, it proves that smaller spaces can deliver higher quality of life. Through smart planning, meaningful materials, and energy-conscious design, architects can create homes that are beautiful, responsible, and deeply livable. This approach isn't about sacrifice, it's about refinement. The future of housing may be smaller, but it's certainly more thoughtful, warmer, and more inspiring than ever before.